Hello and welcome everyone. I'm your host Sam, and in this video we are going to talk about what's collective finance and how it's solving some yield related issues of commodities in DeFi. The second thing that we will talk about is the tokens of collective finance. We'll put more emphasis on the C tokens since the C Gold or the CGLD just launched. Next we will talk about what's C tokens and then the C Gold token, and lastly what you can do with the C Gold or CGLD token. So without wasting any further time, let's just dive straight into this video. Let's start with what's collective finance and what does it do. In regular TradeFi, participants can hold and gain exposure to gold, silver, etc. But there are a lot of heavy restrictions, and you are also hit with high fees. Plus, these commodities are only tradable on weekdays. This is where collective finance comes in. Collective finance will be launching the C tokens that will represent commodities like gold, silver, oil, etc. These will be available to trade for 24/7 and 365 days a year. You can access these fully backed tokenized commodities 24/7 with minimal costs and no hassle, while providing the best yield farming opportunities to put your digital commodities to use. Now that you know what's collective finance and what do they do, let's talk about their tokens. Collective finance has two tokens. The first one is the C tokens and the second one is the CLF token. C tokens represent the real world assets like gold, diamonds, silver, etc. You can buy and hold these C tokens, which can then be staked on the associated dexes like Vertex, RBDEX to earn an additional yield on. We'll talk about this a bit later into this video, so make sure you stick till the end. The second token is the CLF token, which is the backbone of the collective finance, and its main purpose is yield earning and governance of collective finance. So, what are these C tokens? The C tokens would be C Gold, C Silver, C Diamond, etc. We will use C Gold to understand what exactly these C tokens are. I'm sure after understanding what CGLD is, you'll understand the concept of C tokens from collective finance. So, what is C Gold or CGLD? Well, it is a tokenized asset-backed over-collateralized commodity representation. I know those are a lot of words, but stick with me. The CGLD token represents the gold commodity, and one CGLD will always be equal to 1 gram of gold. But you may be thinking, how would collective finance achieve this? Well, remember how I mentioned that C tokens are asset-backed and over-collateralized. Every C token would be backed by the PAXG token, which is Paxos Gold. The team would be acquiring the Paxos Gold token on the Ethereum chain and would be depositing it in a secure vault, after which C tokens or the CGLD would be minted on the BSC chain. Since the CGLD token would be over collateralized, the team is aiming at a backing ratio of 105% to 110%. So if collective finance owns 10 PAXG or Paxos Gold on the Ethereum network, 9 PAXG worth of CGLD would be minted on the BSC chain. This in turn would make sure that the C Gold tokens are always over collateralized. Please go through the docs if you want to know more about the C Gold token or the PAXG. Now that you know what C tokens are and what CGLD is, I'm excited to share with you all that the C Gold token is now live on the Arbitrum chain on RBDEX. Please remember that the price might move a bit depending on the volume and liquidity. The team will do their best to keep the price of one C token equal to 1 gram of gold. So ensure that you try to get the token as close to the floor as possible. If in any case the price moves, please stay patient, it will come back to the floor. By the way, the APRs on the RBDEX are looking very juicy. Plus, you will be paid in both Ethereum and the ARX token on RBDEX. Now, let's talk about what you can do once you get hold of this C Gold token. I already explained it to you how you can use the C Gold token on the RBDEX exchange to earn an yield on. What you can do once you get hold of this C Gold token? Well, you can use this C Gold token to create LPs to generate a yield on associated dexes like RBDEX, as I explained to you earlier, Vertex DEX, etc. This way, you get exposure to commodities like gold while also earning a yield through them. I hope that now you are clear on what's collective finance, what's C tokens, and how you can get exposure to commodities like gold while also earning a yield through them. If you have any questions, please make sure to use the comment section or get in touch with a moderator or a team member in the Collective Finances Discord. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something new, please consider liking this video and subscribing to Collective Finances YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.